See your friend them, not real. And you always put your trust in people too much. You always come and believe in a woman, just believe in people too much. It's okay. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. Everything good, man. Everything good. Everything good. Everything good, man. Everything good, man. Everything good. People too much. I believe in a people too much. That's gonna be my downfall. There's some people might go the ends of mile and do things that turn on come style me all the while. And to myself say, are these people real? Are these people real? Me see me go borrow people blood clot money for people. Sit down and bleach, you better get it. Sit down and bleach when me get in my hand. Me be sure till cause them run around with the money and me have to pay back. And them still come deceive me. Believe and me shall learn. It is okay. It's okay. Everything is okay. Me the pan life and me not have a life with a lot of big people shooting for me. But one of the small ones and me beg one of my people them. Me beg my people them for go give you. Me beg my people them for go give you. Me send my gift over your life to not moderate. I'ma see a song you make people in the box of class me. Me do these things. And sometimes when you see me sit down and cry because it hurt me. I can't do nothing else but cry because I see people just another trust. Just another trust. Break me down, just another trust. We trust people too much. We trust people too much. Why nobody can don't you know have to pick up for me? Talk the blood clot truth when it needs to be said and done.